Thinking about getting a Brazilian wax but overwhelmed by all the wax options out there? Don't worry, you're not alone. Whether you're a first-timer or a regular, knowing the right wax for your skin can make all the difference. Let's explore which type works best for you. A Brazilian wax involves removing most or all of the hair from your bikini area. It's popular for its clean, long-lasting results, leaving you feeling smooth and confident for weeks. Why choose a Brazilian wax? For starters, it removes hair from the root, meaning slower regrowth, fewer ingrown hairs, and a smoother finish compared to shaving. Plus, it can gradually reduce hair density over time. Your first appointment might feel a bit intimidating, but most find it more manageable than expected. Expect a short consultation, a thorough cleaning, and the waxing itself, which takes around 20 to 30 minutes. A licensed professional ensures the process is hygienic and as painless as possible. There are three main types of wax used for Brazilian waxing: hard wax, thick and applied directly to the skin, then removed without strips. Soft wax, spread thin and removed using cloth strips. Sugar wax, a natural blend of sugar, lemon and water applied and flicked off by hand. Let's break down the pros and cons. Hard wax, less painful, great for sensitive areas, but it can be pricier and tricky for at-home use. Soft wax, more affordable and effective on finer hairs, but can stick to live skin and increase irritation. Sugar wax, natural, eco-friendly, and gentle, but it might not remove thicker hairs effectively in one go. Picking the best wax depends on three things. Your pain tolerance, hard wax, and sugar wax tend to be more comfortable. Your skin sensitivity, sugar wax is the gentlest option. Your goals, want ultra-smooth results. Hard wax may be your best bet. Aftercare is just as important as the wax itself. Here's how to protect your skin post-wax. Apply a gentle aloe-based moisturizer. Avoid hot baths, tight clothing, and workouts for at least 24 hours. If you notice redness, small bumps, or irritation, it's normal. Just keep the area clean and moistured. For anything unusual or prolonged, reach out to a dermatologist. Ready to choose your perfect wax type? Let us know your experience or questions in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another self-care tip.